Welcome back to another property tour. I'm Vicky Bryant, your friendly local realtor specializing in the South Atlanta suburbs. Whether you're a first-time viewer or a returning fan, I am here to help you find your dream home in this beautiful area. Before we jump into the tour today, if you would like to gain priority access to all the latest developments in Atlanta, head over to my website, search new homes in ATL.com. You'll get exclusive access to the hottest new construction homes, move-in ready homes, buyer incentives, builder incentives, all kinds of stuff in the Atlanta area. Best of all, your information is safe and secure, and it's not shared with the world when you use my site. And if you would like to keep up with all the brand new developments in the South Atlanta area, make sure to subscribe to my channel or shoot me an email and I'll include you on my VIP distribution list for all the developments that are coming soon and the general public is not aware of yet. But for now, let's get into the tour. So today we're touring a brand new construction home in Newnan, Georgia. It's on the north side of town. It's closer to Chattahoochee Hills, Suburban, and Palmetto, to be quite honest. It's not in a neighborhood. It is a small private builder, and it is a tiny home with lots of charm and character. It's a 2-bed, 1.5-bath home, 920 square feet of living space, 2-car garage, a nice balcony is what I'm going to call it, and it is currently offered at $349,700. It's in an area that is growing, and there is a lot of brand new homes and neighborhoods popping around. I wanted to share this home with you because I wanted to point out to you that you can find brand new homes for below the median sales price for the area. So let's take a look at it, and I want you to tell me, what do you think about this home? Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, do me a favor, hit that like button on your screen. It helps me gauge if I'm providing valuable content to you, so I thank you for that. And if you're thinking about moving to Newnan, Georgia, or anywhere in the South Atlanta suburbs, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all the exciting new content I have in store for you. So what did you guys think about this home? Please let me know down in the comments. And if you would like to learn more about what life might look like for you in Newnan, Georgia, make sure to watch this next video on your screen. I think it will be helpful in your research. So go watch it now, and I'll see you there.